So good evening all of you. I hope you guys are doing good. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about this calendar module. It is again a module which Python supports and it comes along with the Python setup file. So if you have Python on your device, you do not have to install it separately. However, in case you get any error, if you are importing this calendar module in your Sublime Text or in any other platform which you're using, if you're getting any error, so what you can do, you can come on this command prompt and you can simply fire this command over here, install calendar, and it will download and install the calendar on your device, right? So this is the whole code with which I've created the 2022's calendar. Let me just show you the output of this code. So that's how my calendar looks like, and you can see everything which we generally see in calendar is there over here in my calendar also. So it is 2022 calendar which I've created. It's a new year calendar. If you want to see 2019's calendar, or let's say the past year's calendar, so let's change the value over here. So I've changed it to 2021, and now if I will run the code, okay, I need to save the changes first, and I need to change this thing also. Let's run this. So this is 2021's calendar. Now in order to change the title over here, we can simply change this to 2021, and that's what you will get as a final output. So what I have done here, I've used two libraries. First one is your tkinter, and the second one is this calendar named library. So this is the function which is picking up the whole calendar, which is bringing for us the whole calendar from the calendar named module of this year, and it is saving everything in the form of text in this text named variable. Then we have created a window, this window in which this calendar is visible to us. We have created it using simple tkinter code. Right, that's the code which we used in the previous applications also, if you remember. Then we used this label function, which is again present in this tkinter library, for creating this label box over here, right, in which you are able to see this calendar 2021 written. So that's line of code. Just have to change these values for these properties, and you will get to see the changes over here. Let me just show you that. So if you want to see, suppose, a red color or a black color getting, or white color, let's say, getting reflected in the background, so you can just change it to white, and this is what you will get as a final output. So now in the background we have white color, but it's not looking good. Thing, you need a color which is which contradicts the background color, right? So that is the reason I used gray, right? So now it is looking really cool. Then that's the function with which you can place this label we have created over here through this line of code on this window. Fine. Then we have configured this root. So background is white of this window, as you can see. If you want to have a red background, you can just change it to red, and this is what you will get as the final output. Right. What else do we have over here? So that's the font which you have to define for getting this kind of calendar. If you will define some other font like this Times New Roman, so what is going to happen? Let me just show you that. So I'm saving the changes, running the code. It has thrown an error. Now what is the error? Okay, so maybe it's not able to I recognize this font. Let's pass Arial. So, that's the kind of output you will get. So you will get a distorted kind of calendar. So make sure that if you want to get the right output, you're passing this as the value for this font. So you can surf it on internet also. You'll get to see this font only for this calendar thing. Then for placing it on a grid, we have used this code over here. And finally, everything is going to come inside this main loop. Right, so that is how you can create a beautiful calendar using this calendar module of Python. Is there any query? Let me just check. So thank you very much, Rishi Apps, for joining me in this tutorial. Shotokan Karate TV. May I have your name, please? Thank you so very much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Please do like and share this video in your groups so as to make it reach to the masses so that they guys can come and join